that despite our progress, much of our exploration and production potential still lies untapped within India's 26 sedimentary basins. I find it particularly discomforting that, considering that we continue to be dependent on crude oil imports to over 85% of our requirements, and despite the abundant geological resources available to us, our efforts in the past have been far short of what needs to be done. It is not my purpose this morning in the keynote address to lay blame. I think if you look at the historical context, when oil prices globally are within manageable range, it is a normal tendency for anyone to turn around and say, why do you want to bother with heavy investments, exploration, when you can just that easily import all your requirements? That was in fact the advice given to me by some quarters when I had the privilege of joining in July 2021. But that is short-sighted advice. With a great sense of pride that I say that as the Honorable Prime Minister's Petroleum Minister, that throughout the pandemic, throughout the last 3 years I have been associated with, not a single shortfall has taken place anywhere. That is what you mean by availability. Contrast that with what is happening around the country. Contrast that with what is happening around the world, and you see the stark difference. This is the only country in the world where prices have come down after a reference period. And then when you have, as I said, they're intellectually correct that, there's a little bit of this. And then somebody else picks it up and says, oh, prices nahi kam hue. If I were to produce all the crude oil or extract it from my own basins, which I hope you guys will do soon, then I would even say that make it available at the lowest possible cost. Our sedimentary basin is approximately nestled with approximately 651.8 million metric tons of crude oil and 1,138.6 billion cubic meters of natural gas. And this is where we come to our failings. Only 10% of this sedimentary basin is currently under exploration today. After the award of the blocks under the forthcoming OALP rounds, it will increase to 16% by end 2024. While this is good progress, 6% in one go, it is not enough. I wish to use this opportunity to lay down the gauntlet, including my friends at the DGH, to step up. The focus of our exploratory endeavors must pivot towards discovering yet to find resources. And I've had several meetings with the DGH. I'm very happy to hear that they're burning the midnight oil, literally. That's at least what my additional secretary tells me. And that we will see fundamental change in a very short period of time.